Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable Google Chrome to ask you or prompt you where to save files before downloading files in the browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the menu icon up at the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that and go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to go ahead and select the Downloads button. And then on the right side, underneath Downloads, where it says Ask where to save each file before downloading, go ahead and toggle that to the On position. So now if you attempt to download any files from the Chrome browser, it will give you a little dialog pop-up window asking you where you want to save the file before downloading. So for example, if I did the Chrome offline installer, and I just went ahead and just did that for an example for this tutorial here. You see we'll get a little pop-up window that will say Save As. So that's pretty much all that'll do. And if you wanted to not have that turned on, just toggle it to the off position. And if we select the download Chrome again, and it would just not prompt you before downloading. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.